Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video we were discussing about the ARM Cortex families and the architecture of ARM. So in today's video I am introducing a new topic which is an embedded system. So we will be looking at what is an embedded system, what are the classifications of embedded system, what are the basic processing units in an embedded system, and how to build an embedded system. So firstly, what is an embedded system? So an embedded system, it is like a dedicated system and it performs a desired function when we power up the device. So it is a microprocessor based computer hardware system with associated software, and it can perform a dedicated function either existing as an independent system or as a part of a large system. Embedded system, it is found in a variety of common electronic devices such as in consumer electronics, we can see it in cell phones, pagers, calculators, etc. In home appliances, we can see it in ovens and washing machines. In office automation, we can find it in fax machines and printers. In business equipments, we can find it in alarm systems and card readers. And in automobiles, we can see it in transmission control and fuel injection systems. Now, how to classify an embedded system? So, embedded system can be broadly classified into three. The first one is small scale embedded system. Then we have a medium scale embedded system and a sophisticated embedded system. Now, what is a small scale embedded system? So, these systems, they are basically designed with a single 8 or 16-bit microcontroller. They have very little hardware and software complexities, and they may be battery operated also. Then second category is the medium scale embedded system. These are usually designed with a single or few 16 or 32-bit microprocessor or DSPs. These have both hardware as well as software complexities associated with it. The third category is sophisticated embedded system. So these embedded systems, they have enormous hardware and software complexities and may need scalable processors or configurable processors and programmable logic array in its design. So they are highly complex. Next we will be discussing about what are the processing units in an embedded system. So the first component is a processor in an embedded system. A microprocessor, it is an important unit in an embedded system. A microcontroller is nothing but an integrated chip which has a microprocessor, memory and several other hardware units in it. So an embedded microprocessor is a microprocessor which has special features that allows it to be embedded into a system. Then commonly used in an embedded processor are microprocessors, microcontrollers and DSPs in small, medium as well as in sophisticated embedded systems. Apart from all this, we have a recently introduced technology that additionally incorporates the application specific system processors or ASSPs into the embedded system. There can also be another category which is a multiple processors in a system. That is, embedded system can contain a combination of hardware, software and multiple processors that are embedded into a single system, which will together give us what is called a cell phone or a music player. So in totality, the product which we get is something like a device which we use it to perform a particular functionality like a cell phone. Next is how to build an embedded system. So we basically embedded three kinds of computing engines into a system. So first one is a microprocessor. Then we have a microcomputer and a microcontroller. The microcomputer and other hardware, they are connected via what is called a system bus. Okay, so this basic technique was developed to reduce the cost as well as improve the modularity. It combines the functions of a data bus to carry information, an address bus to find where it should be sent or where the data should be sent, and a control bus to determine its operation. So the microprocessor controls the whole system by executing a set of instructions that is being stored in its ROM memory. Okay. Then we have already discussed in the previous videos regarding what is an instruction set architecture. ISA or an instruction set architecture is that part of the computer architecture that is related to programming, and it includes the data types, the instructions, the registers, the addressing modes, etc. It can contain a set of opcodes and some commands that is implemented by a particular microprocessor. So in order to run the application, when we turn the power on, the microprocessor will address a predefined location. It will fetch, decode and execute the instruction one after the other in a sequential fashion. So likewise, we build a system in totality to form an embedded system. So that is how we come to the concept of embedded system. So hope this video was very informative. For more videos and updates, please do stay tuned to my YouTube channel Anju's Learn Point. Thank you.